This looks like my hair, and I didn't do much to it. I just put it in my hair. Like, period. Like, Amazing Beauty Hair Extensions sent me over some clip-ins. It came with a jumbo clip, 2 extra clip-ins, and a comb. This is their 18-inch Jerry Curl bundle clips. In total, they came with 7 clip-ins. They included 1 4-clip track, 2 3-clip tracks, and 3 2-clip tracks, and 1 1-clip track. So initially, you guys, I had some braid backs for underneath a wig, and I just thought I could clip in the clip straight onto that without having to blend anything. And that just wasn't the case. So this is the hair literally straight out those bundles onto my head, and all I did was put some water in it. I quickly found out that it wasn't going to work, so I ended up taking all of the hair out and just restarting it. But I wanted you guys to see how pretty the pattern, the natural curl pattern of this hair is. But you're gonna see me fresh out the shower to a very brand new install. I'm so sorry for that, but it just, you know, that's just how it went. It's not always perfect the first time around, okay? So I want to try to put my hair in a ponytail because I cannot braid for nothing and like clip the hair into just my hair while it's in a ponytail. So, oh, and I also want to do a flip over method. But so yeah, I'm just going to part out this sleeve out. Should I do that all around my head since I don't know how to braid? I think that would take so much time. I really didn't even know I could do that. Oh yeah, I'm coming to y'all so natural. I just got out the shower. I am like, cause I did this yesterday, but I did not like how it came out. And I was rushing because yesterday was Thanksgiving. Yeah, I was like, let me do this when I have some time to really do it. You see how my hair looks? That's not my curl pattern. This is my curl pattern. So I think that I can make it blend with this. Like, girl, yes. So yeah, I think I can make that blend. So that's what I'm gonna do. What do y'all call this? Flat twist? I think I am going to try to do this around my entire head. I'm not gonna put that in the video, but I think I am. I mean, well, I did these two, so y'all saw that. So I'm gonna try to do that around my entire head and then just clip the clip-ins into that. So, girl, I wish I could do it that fast in real life. Like, this is gonna take a while, and I don't got but this much hair. Let me stop playing. My hair long. But yeah, okay, I'm gonna be back. This is what I came with. I don't think I did that bad. Like, I know that this part is bigger than this part because this is when I first started, and then I got more experience, and I was like, I think I should make them smaller. So anyways, so yeah, I'm gonna take this 3-piece, and thank God this is curly hair, because if this was straight hair, this would not work. But I'm gonna take it, and I'm just gonna put it in there. Put it in where it fits in. Okay. think I'm gonna go in here. Yeah. There's a big gap. Okay, yeah. This is actually not bad at all. Let me turn around. Even though I had 3 left or 2 left, I don't know, of those 2 clip pieces, still, I'm glad I started kind of high. So I'm going to take my baby out. Well, it's already out, but I'm about to do it. So I just use I'm feeling these. Okay, period. And because I already wet them yesterday, like I combed them, I wet them, obviously, the curl is given like this could be my hair. So I just let them air dry is what I'm saying. And this is the look that it gave, baby. So I'm gonna wet it a little bit. Take curl and just wrap it around like that. I hope you can see what I just did. I kind of showed y'all in the beginning of this video. But take some hair and just smooth it. Wrap it around the hair like so. Usually I would layer this, but they're clip-ins, so it's not like when I take them out and put them back in, they're not gonna be in the same place. So I kind of don't want to, but I'm gonna do it. I'm not cutting anymore because that's, like I said, these are clip-ins, so who knows where the placement is going to be next time. But yeah, you guys, so this is how it looks. Now I did this whole video in the dark. That's weird. This looks like my hair, and I didn't do much to it. I just put it in my hair. Like, period. Like, it's giving something. It's giving my hair. Thank you guys so much for watching. This is the finished product. Of course, thank you again, Amazing Beauty Hair Extensions. And I hope I helped you guys, install your clip-ins. Bye.